Good day, everyone. Our topic is data organization using SPSS. I am Keshi Patricia Mere Somon, Professor of Educational Evaluation, Research and Statistics, Nanda Azikiwe University, Awka. So our topic is data organization using SPSS. Our learning outcomes include, after watching the video, you should be able to explain data organization, list and explain common ways of organizing data, briefly explain the software SPSS, build bar charts, build table of frequency distribution, build pie chart, build histogram with a normal curve underlay. What is data organization? After collecting data, you need to analyze it. So data organization is a systematic arrangement and structuring of data so that it can be easily accessed, understood, analyzed, and interpreted. The way you put your data so that people can easily get meaning out of it. Common ways of organizing data include bar charts, table of frequency distribution, pie chart, histogram with normal curve outline. Table of frequency distribution. What is table of frequency distribution? It is a table that shows all possible scores and the number of times each score occurs. Then bar chart is a graphical representation of categorical data using separated rectangular bars to show the frequencies of value. The length of each bar represents a value or the frequency of that value or the score. When we say pie chart, a pie chart is a circular graph divided into sectors, each sector representing a proportion of the total data. So in case of pie chart now, we use a circle to represent it. Histogram. A histogram is graphical display of continuous data using adjoining rectangles to represent the frequency of data or group data. You will understand that we talked about bar charts. So histogram uses continuous data, but the bar chart also uses categorical data. Then we can have a histogram with a normal curve overlay. So we do this when we are interested in finding out whether our data fall into a normal curve. We use it to organize our data. So SPSS is the acronym for Statistical Package for Social Sciences. It is a robust software for data analysis that is being used, is extensively used by students and researchers. So the emphasis in this video is for you to understand simple instructions to analyze your data and interpret the outcome. So we can now look at example. We want to see example. We want to generate a data to take care of these charts. We use a sample to organize, to show how data is organized. So we're going to start with bar chart. And we now say that a course advisor of Year 1 Biology Education Program is interested in preferred social media platform of her students. And it has the following data: Twitter 18, Instagram 31, WhatsApp 54, Facebook 41, TikTok 20, YouTube 11. So we now see how we can do the bar chart. In building bar chart with SPSS, we use the command analyze, descriptive, statistics, and frequency. You can pause this video as you are watching it to look at this command. The command is done, analyze. When you get analyze and you click on it, you now point to descriptive statistics and you move your arrow to frequency. That's the first thing you do. Then the second command is that select the variable, which that is the score, push it into the variable box. We have done that, and the picture or the graph of it is on this slide. You can also pause it and see how this score is selected into the variable box. Then click charts, bar chart, continue, and OK. You can also pause here and see how we click the chart and then check the bar chart. Click on continue and you click on OK. The output will come out. This is the output. So you can see that the bars are separate. They stand on their own. The height of the bars are equal to their frequencies. That is a bar chart. So let's look at another example. The researcher is interested on the achievement pattern of SS3 students in economics. The third-term examination results of SS1 students in economics are as shown below. You use SS1 students, and you can look at your slide and you see the scores. So we now use this score to build table of frequency distribution using SPSS. So what do? We mark the commands. So command for building frequency table, you have analyze, descriptive statistics, frequency, select the variable score, push it into the variable box, and you click OK. Almost the same process. So we can see it. The picture on this command is on the slide. So the score is selected and pushed into the variable box. So this is where the score is pushed into the variable box. Then the output shows we now see the output. It shows that there are 95 cases or 95 scores. See all the possible scores and the frequency. The mode is 60. If you look closely to the output of the frequency distribution table, you will see this. Then we now look at pie charts. Analyze descriptive statistics and frequency. The same process. Go to analyze, click on descriptive statistics, and then point to frequency. You will see the chart I have now. Then the score is selected and pushed into the variable box. You can see it. And then click the chart, check the pie chart, you click continue, OK, you have the output. So this is the output. You say it's a circle, and all the possible scores are divided and their frequencies are shown as sectors. So you can see the sectors of the scores represented by, the circle represented by the sector. You will now see that the mode is 60. So the one with dark blue, you see it is the largest there, is the mode. So we now talk about histogram, the same process. You click on analyze, get to descriptive statistics to frequency. Click on it and select. I will now click continue and OK. You see the rectangle boxes are joined because it is a continuous data. So the graph on the slide now is histogram. You see that they are joined. It's not like a bar chart. In bar chart, they will stand alone because it's a discrete categorical data. We can, after clicking the histogram, you can click show normal curve on the histogram. If you click show normal curve on the histogram, you will see it. And it said that histogram with a normal distribution curve overlay shows if your data follows a normal distribution. If the data matches the curve, it is roughly normal. If not, it might be skewed or have outliers. If you observe our curve now, you see that the curve is properly suited on the histogram, showing that there is element of normality in the said scores. So what have we talked about now? We have talked about data organization, and we can organize data instead of the manual. You can use SPSS, and it would be made easy for you. You can do bar chart, you can do table of frequency distribution, pair chart, histogram, and so on. So thank you for watching.